Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, WooCommerce and Aweber. So the use case here is, whenever our order in WooCommerce is updated, we want to create a subscriber in Aweber. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So WooCommerce is a software application where you can set up your online store, whereas Aweber is an email marketing software. Although WooCommerce and Aweber have some native integration between them, but this integration has certain limitations, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party application software to integrate both these software applications. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google, and now I'm going to go to this URL section over here, and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I'm going to hover over this product section over here, and I'm going to select connect over here. Okay, so now I will sign in. Now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. So now I will scroll down, and here at Connect, I'm going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this Create Workflow from here. Okay, so let us give it a name. So I'm going to give a name as WooCommerce to Aweber. Okay, so I'll create it. Okay, so now here in this workflow, we are going to integrate WooCommerce and Aweber using Pabbly Connect. So first I'm going to integrate WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect, and then I will integrate Aweber with Pabbly Connect. So here in first I'm going to choose WooCommerce. So now in choose method, our goal is whenever there is updated WooCommerce orders, we want to add them as subscribers in Aweber. So updated WooCommerce orders is going to be our trigger. So let me search for it. Updated. So order updated is our trigger method over here. Now you might have a question that what is trigger? So let me explain you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when an order is updated in WooCommerce, add them as subscribers in Aweber. So order updated in WooCommerce is our trigger, whereas adding them as subscribers in Aweber is our action. So when you go and see in this method, you can see we have many trigger methods available. You can select whichever you want according to your workflow. And if you don't get the trigger method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com, and our team will help you to look for your specific trigger. Okay, so now you can see this webhook URL over here. So after choosing an app and choosing the method, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is WooCommerce over here. So now you again might have a question in your mind that what is webhook? What am I trying to explain? So let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So here you can see the instructions are written over here. Okay, so I'll just copy the webhook URL from here and I'll go and paste it inside the WooCommerce. So I'll go to my WooCommerce account, and here at settings, I'm going to click on this advanced tab over here. Okay, so you can see the webhooks, and now you can see add webhook. So now let us name our webhook as WooCommerce to Aweber. Okay, so now status is going to be active. Topic is order updated. This one. Okay, and delivery URL, here you have to paste the webhook URL that we got from Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to save the webhook. Okay, I'll just save it again. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here we are going to capture the webhook response now. Okay, so now it is waiting for webhook response. That means now we have to go and update our order in WooCommerce. Okay, so I'll go to WooCommerce and here you can see order. So I'll click on it. Okay, so let us update our existing order. So I'll go to this one, Tom Cruise 1234. Okay, so I am going to change his billing address. So I'll just update all the information. Okay, so I'll just change his name over here. First, let it be Tom. Last name is Cruise. Okay, I'll change the email address as well. Okay, so you can see we have changed the name and the email over here. So now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and let us see if it has captured the webhook response or not. Okay, so we have got our webhook response here. You can see the name is here, last name is here, and even the email is here. So I'm going to save this now. Okay. Okay, so we have successfully finished our first step integration over here, and now we are going to begin our second step integration, that is integration of Pabbly Connect and Aweber. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. Okay, so now I'll scroll down. Okay, so here I'm going to choose Aweber. Okay. In choose method, you can see we have many action methods available. You can select whichever you want according to your need of workflow. So for us, in our workflow, as soon as an order is updated in WooCommerce, we want to add subscriber in Aweber. That is why add subscriber is our action method. Now you can select any other also, and if you don't get the action method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you to look for your specific action. So I'll select this. Okay, so now I'm going to connect with Aweber. Connect with Aweber. Okay, so now here you have to enter your login name and password, and I'm going to allow the access. You don't have to worry about your data. In Pabbly Connect, everything is 100% safe and secure. So we have to fill these two fields over here, full name and email, and we'll get the information from our webhook response. So we'll just map the information that we got from here in these fields. Account ID, it is the ID of your Aweber account. Now in list ID, you might have some lists existing already in your Aweber account. Like if I go to my Aweber account, if I go to these lists, you can see I already have this one list prepared and I want my subscribers to be saved in this list. If you want, you can also create a new list by clicking on this button over here. So now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and here I am going to let Ashirai's list be selected. Now full name. Let us map the name. Okay, Tom Cruise. So Pabbly Connect gives you this unique feature where you can map your first name and last name together in one field. Okay, so now email. Let us enter the email. Okay, email is here. So I'm done with this. So now I'm going to save and send test request. Okay, so you can see API responses here. That means we have successfully integrated WooCommerce with Aweber. Okay, so now let's go to Aweber and I'll go to my subscribers. I'll click on add it today. Okay, so you can see Tom Cruise is here and even the email is here, tomcruise@pabbly.com. So here we have finished our integration of WooCommerce and Aweber successfully. Now let me show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go to orders again. Let me go to a new order this time. Okay, so I'll go to this one. Okay, so now here let us change the billing. So I'll just change the name over here. Steve, last name is Stevenson. Okay, I'll change the email. steve@pabbly.com. Okay, so I'll go up and here I'm going to update my order. Okay, so we have successfully updated our order. Now let's go to Aweber and see if a new subscriber is added there or not. So I'll go to Aweber. I'll just refresh this. Okay, so you can see Steve Stevenson is here with the email steve@pabbly.com. So we have successfully finished our integration of WooCommerce with Aweber. So now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to show you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information would have come from WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect, and then from Pabbly Connect it came to Aweber. So now whenever an order is updated in WooCommerce, a subscriber will be added in Aweber. So we have successfully finished our integration of WooCommerce and Aweber with the help of Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.